Hey darlings, what's up? I hope you're doing well. I am doing very well actually, and I thank God for that. I've not felt this good in a long time, and I'm so grateful for good health. You gotta be sick for a while for you to appreciate it and not take good health for granted. So I am so grateful. I had to make changes to my lifestyle actually, but that is a story for another day. For today, let's get into this hairstyle. So what I meant to do was try and do a flat twist updo on my hair, like the whole head. I normally just do in the front, but well, I was up for a challenge and I wanted to do it. I like the hairstyle a lot, but I was surprised by how I twist. Like, have you ever watched yourself do something and then you're like, do I do it like that? So this is what happened here. I was quite surprised by how I twist because I didn't know that's how my fingers move when I twist. Like really, I didn't know that. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm using my middle finger and my thumb to pick the hair, and I am also using my left hand to do that. Well, actually, when twisting the other side, it's completely different. Okay, maybe not so different, but I use my right hand to twist. So instead of my left hand picking the hair, I use my right hand to pick the hair. And then the left hand does what the right hand is doing at this time. That's crazy, right? So yeah, and when I do the back, it's also completely different. Like I'm using my forefinger and my thumb to pick the hair. As much as the hands are still doing the same, like so going this direction, I twist with my left hand, and then going the other direction, I twist with my right hand. Crazy, I know. Okay, so yeah, I'll leave you to see it. You're gonna see it. Check this out. I'm now using my right hand to twist the hair. Like literally using my right hand to do exactly what the left hand was doing to twist the hair. Amazing. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Thank you for your support, for everything that you do for this channel. I really appreciate you guys. So thank you so much. Don't forget to comment and let me know where you're watching from. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post on this channel. And share my videos with your friends and family. I will greatly appreciate that. Yeah. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I'm almost at 100,000 subscribers and I am so excited. Not so much about reaching 100,000 subscribers. I think now that I'm almost there, but about the whole journey is like when I started YouTube and where I am right now and how much you guys have supported this channel, which I am so grateful for because I know I could not have done it on my own. Like obviously the subscribers, it's you guys subscribing and sharing my videos. I've got a lot of comments of people who saw my video because someone shared it with them. So I am so grateful for you guys for all you've done to support my channel. But I don't know what to do to celebrate. Yeah, that's true. As much as I've been waiting for it to come, I don't know what to do. I need to do something special because it is important to celebrate milestones, but at the same time, I am at loss of ideas. I don't know what to do. So if you have any ideas, please can you comment below and tell me what you think I should do? And I've been playing around with a few ideas in my head, like, okay, maybe do a meetup. I don't do a lot of meetups anymore, so maybe I could do a meetup or a business lunch or a dinner. I don't know, or maybe just pamper myself. I don't like the idea of a photo shoot. If I'm going to do a photo shoot, it has to be at a party. It has to be somewhere where I am actually there to enjoy the moment. I'm not so sold on doing photo shoots actually. They have to be part of something, not just to go for a photo shoot as a celebration. I don't subscribe to that. Unfortunately, I don't know. What do you think? Do you think photo shoots as the only celebration is okay? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, well, what I'm doing in this video is very self-explanatory besides the different ways in which I twist, which is like crazy, but it's basically self-explanatory. All the products that I've used in this video, I'm going to put them in the description box, so make sure you check them out if you want to find out more. And thank you so much for coming by. Thank you for subscribing, for sharing my videos. I really appreciate that, and for commenting as well. And there are people that I feel as if I know them just because they comment on each and every of my videos. Like if we're to meet, I think it would be just a continuation of a relationship that was started here on YouTube. So thank you so much. Like you guys, I think you're my friends. Yeah, okay. Let me not get carried away. What did you think about my hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so don't tell me about this hairstyle, guys. This hairstyle just hairstyle. I I liked it. I actually liked this hairstyle a lot. I also got a lot of compliments that the hairstyle was nice. Maybe they were just being kind to me. Yeah, especially on the day and the next day. This hair was pretty nice and I liked it. Thank you so, so much. I will see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye.